In this video, I will guide you how you can fix Lyca mobile no service. So first of all, you need to check the network coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with Lyca mobile network coverage. If you are in a remote or rural area, network coverage might be limited. Next step will going to be restarting your device. A simple restart can oftentimes resolve these temporary glitches, so make sure to give it a shot. Another thing that you can try is checking the airplane mode. Make sure that your airplane mode is turn off. You can usually find this from the control panel, and make sure to double check it if it is on or off. Next up will going to be manually selecting network. You can simply go to your settings in your iPhone or Android, and then you just need to make sure to manually select the Lyca mobile network. This can sometimes help if your phone is not automatically connecting. At the end, you can verify the SIM card. Ensure that your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. If you suspect the SIM card is faulty, try using it in another phone to see if the issue persists. So that's the way of how you can fix like a mobile no service.